Nobody. We're not turning it on.
Please?
No.
Okay.
Thanks, buddy. Can we just sit and talk for a second? Without having the movies playing and all that mess?
But that's all need to do.
Huh? Yeah, I know you want the movie on, but can we do something? Can we just talk for a minute? Awesome. Thanks. Alright, so you're probably wondering where we're at on the whole house deal. Lots of things have been going on for a little bit of time. I've been spending a lot more time in the studio, making things, doing some things in there, just because, I mean, it needs to happen. But anyway, so where we're at is with the house, with that property, we had the surveyors come out. They did all the work, came out and saw them. They had a crew of about 7 or so guys stomping through, four-wheelers and gators and equipment and, I mean, all kinds of things, marking things out. They end up coming back with a calculation that there is a slightly less volume of land that we were purchasing. So kind of went, had some conversations about that. We went and, you know, it's one of those things where, you know, we're in deep enough with the bank and with everything else that we really don't want to start back at ground zero, especially, you know, when we've come this far to do what we're doing. But at the same time, you know, everything's not concrete. And so there's still a little bit of room for conversation and negotiation and things like that. And anyway, one thing leads to another. Conversations are made and had in regard to money and land and value, things like that. And those conversations are ongoing conversations. Well, you know, if you really wanted to be smart about like voiceovers and stuff, you put on your mask.
Oh.
And then I could literally voice over anything I want with this really cool mask on. Make sure you like, share, subscribe onto this video and channel, as well as my other channel, Mr. Burgher, for all of my Art 101 series and my Burger Acres series as well. Thanks for the support. There are lots of pieces of the puzzle that have to move and slide in order for everyone to get to where they want to be. The home seller, they're waiting to get into a rental property, and they're buying property, and so they're kind of in a similar situation that we were in, and you know, they're kind of in a time restraint when they can come in. And we're kind of in the same bind. Like, we want to get into the new house, but we can't until they're out, and so we're kind of in a bind and a knot. And so we're just kind of waiting to see, you know, where everything fits and falls, and then we just kind of go from there. So that's where we're at.